Here I have Motorola Edge 30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings, then go to the photos section, watermark, and when you have device watermark enabled, you can add your signature, name, or whatever, like your tag, quote, or name of your company, or I don't know, maybe your teacher or mother, whatever you want. I'll just enter something like that, just for example, and now every photo you take will be marked with your custom watermark, just like this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.